Hi there, Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays, and just recently Zoe and myself took Herman to the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show 2019 at the NEC. We spent the weekend there, and normally when we go to these shows we take a look at the motorhomes. However, this time we decided to take a look at the campervans. We wanted to find out why they were so popular and what was appealing about them. I know my way around a classic VW Type 2, you know, the bay windows or the split screen campers. And I just wanted to find out what the modern equivalent was like and find out why these campers are so popular. In this video we'll be looking at IH and Malibu Campervans. First of all is a IH 630RD at £67,578.
It's very posh in here.
I could live in this.
You could live in here, could you?
Yeah, I could, yeah.
So, I mean, this looks like a motorhome, but a shade smaller, to be quite honest. I mean, you've got your U-shaped lounge, got some storage.
There's loads of storage.
Although I can't open that at the moment. Storage up here. I mean, a 4-hob cooker and oven. That is quite a large, compared to other motorhomes, that is quite a large sink. Let's take a look at the bathroom. I'm expecting small. It's a it's a wet room basically. Some storage behind there, and what I do like is innovation. And that could be, let's have a look behind here. Well, there's not much room, but it's a space that they've actually decided to use. That's not bad, is it really? A camper with a toilet, which might be quite rare, I don't know. Do you know what, it is not too bad. Driving area. Of course, the bed is not up here, but what is up here? Whoa, plenty of room for chairs or brollies and stuff. But I guess that turns into a bed down there.
Next we have a bright orange IH 600 CRL at £74,022.
Ooh, so it's also orange in here as well. It's a VW.
What do you think about that, where the door opens wide, just lower you down?
Oh, okay. Wasn't expecting the fridge here.
Close the door.
And in here is large storage area. Doesn't seem so big as the other one. I guess the orange might be Marmite. But I quite like it. Again, plenty of storage at the top here. Speakers. Does seem smaller than the other one though. Yeah, definitely, because you've got a smaller hob. It's not a hob, that's the sink. And a smaller hob and oven. Let's check out the bathroom though. Bathroom appears to be the same sort of layout. A wet room. Oh, what's this under here? Access to the external boots back there. Let's go and check that out from the other side. Some decent storage area. And a generator there as well. Or is it the hot? Oh, it must be the water heater. Well, it's not your plain usual white, that's for sure. That is going to get you noticed on the road, isn't it? I quite like it.
Last in the IH range is a 630 FL at £74,054.
This one seems to have plenty of lounge space in the front here. It's based on the Fiat chassis. It looks quite a comfortable driving area with leather seating. There must be a table around here somewhere. Oh, this is a completely different layout than the other two. Television with obviously drops down. That nice large sink. And oh, just the hob this time, not the oven. Some drawer space. There's the oven, separate oven, at a nice level as well, so you don't have to drop things on yourself when you're taking stuff out. Fridge. You know what? These are large fridges. Fridge freezer. This is about the same size as Herman's fridge freezer. And in the back is the bathroom, which, you know, I feel like we're kind of losing some space in the corners here, you know, just around here. But that is a lovely bathroom. What's in here? Oh wow! Wardrobe, place to hang things. Got the aerial there as well. Plenty of room in there. Again though, a wet room. That's a great idea. Look at that. Keep your toilet paper dry. Space above the loo. Nice. And how much about in here? Yeah, not too bad. So I guess here is where we make the bed. And let's take a look outside. Here's the boot. Wow, you've still got loads of room here. There's the toilet cassette. Was that must be the spare one? Oh no, because yeah, the toilet is above us. So quite a lot of room here. I think we've got more room in here than we have in Herman, to be honest. Here we have a Malibu van, charming 600 dB. Alright, okay, let's take a look at this one. This is based on a Fiat. A bit of a seating area here. Just enough. In fact, this table extends out, I think, for this seat. And I can't do that in one hand. But quite a small area here for the the sink and the stove, 2 hob stove. And another thing I can't figure out how to do. Oh, there you go. There's a bit of room there for extra space for setting up. Oh, there's though, look. Now then, this has got to be the. No, I can't open that. This gives you instructions as well, but I can't open that. I don't know what's in there. It's got to be the bathroom. Bed. I would expect that you can, yeah, you can put this away. There's loads of room underneath, and it'd be nice to see a demonstration of that. But it was quite comfortable, quite roomy. There's Zoe with her mouth gaping open. Plenty of space around the top of the bed. And oh, I think I figured out how to open this door now. There you go. There we are. There's the wow! Look at that. That's interesting. So this this moves. The toilet moves in and out of the way, so you can have a decent shower. It's a wet room, of course. And wow, that is quite a lot of room, to be quite honest. But again, innovation. I like the innovation. There's even a cabinet behind the screen here. Much room behind there? Not much, enough for your shampoos and stuff. But yeah, it's a very clever. Let's shut that. Confuse the next person. Now what's up here? There's got to be loads of room up here. Yeah, a bit dark, but there is quite a lot of room. Let's take a look around the back. Ooh, look at this, you've got curtains. And the blind. What's behind here? Oh, I see. So it's just that's where you put your gas bottle. Yeah, it's just a different perspective, I suppose. Very nice. Nice looking motorhome camper. Here is the Malibu van charming GT 640 LE. Right, so first of all, notice that there's a step there. You know what I'm like with steps. Oh, lovely front there, leather. It's based on the Fiat. A nice glimpse of the outside through the window. The roof light. Oh, and the same thing here actually. It's the same layout, I do believe, just in leather. And oh, that toilet again, which now I know how to open. And you can see how now with this one has a toilet pulled out. And the back, again with that again with the toilet. It's not a toilet. Again with the bed. And Zoe. Yes, I was going to point out the portholes are quite like the portholes, very snazzy. We'll have a look at those on the outside in a moment. Some space at the top there, and again plenty of room around the top, especially in those corners. Right, let's look outside. So there are the portholes either side, and they pop out as well. This one has a bicycle rack on the back, but again the same thing on the back, I think. This is where you'd have your water. This is where you'd have your gas bottle. Some extra storage space in the corner there, and it goes all the way back there. Look, amazing. Very good. And under cabinet lighting there. So I wonder what this looks like without the bed in the way.
So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. We normally vlog our travels around Britain and Europe in our motorhome. I'm going to leave some video cards for you to click on so you can go directly to some of the tours that we've done. In a few months' time, we'll be doing the West Atlantic Way in Ireland. So if you don't want to miss that, please do subscribe and ring that notification bell. But before we go, don't forget to rate this video, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down if you like. If you feel that you have something to say about this video, or maybe you've actually got one of these campers, or you're intending to buy one of these campers in the near future, drop us a message in the comments section below. We'll be very interested in hearing from you. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.